Hello, hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Today I'm going to explain you the some advanced scanning techniques using nmap tool. Today I'm going to discuss these scanning methods in my lab also. The first is TCP SYN scan. TCP SYN scan is the default method, and it required the root or admin users to run this scan. By default, TCP SYN attempts to identify the 1000 port. 1000 is not fixed; it is random ports, and it uses nmap. Okay, most commonly used TCP ports by sending the SYN packets to the host, and it does not establish the full TCP connection. Means TCP and TCP three-way handshake uses three messages like SYN. It send the SYN ACK, receive the SYN ACK, and once the connection going to establish, it respond with the ACK to the destination. So but in this case it will send only the SYN packet to the destination, but then in the response it will get the SYN ACK, but it will not respond with the ACK, and the connection will be reset. Let me show you in my lab. Here, okay, nmap nmap dash s and the caps s. Okay, and this is my target machine in my lab. Let me run this. You can see the port number 22 is opened because it get the response. But let me show you in my lab and the packet capture. Then okay, sorry, capture here. Now it has run. Okay, let me run this command again, then you will get some results. Let me go in the my Kali Linux where we have installed the nmap tool. Up arrow. Yeah. Now you can get the reset message because there is no connection established. And let me show you for the port number 22. Here it send the SYN. My source machine, my target machine is 15, and it will get the SYN ACK in the response, but connection will not established, and it will reset the connection. Now in the next one, the connect TCP connect scan. In this method, the connection will be established. Once we have run the scan, it will establish the connection with the open port. Like here, I have opened the 22, which is SSH connection, and it will establish the connection. Let me show you here. T. We'll use the T instead of S. Let me show you. It shows you TCP22 is open, and let me show you in my WireSAR capture. You can see it sent the SYN, received the SYN ACK, and established the connection with the ACK response. But in the previous one, it has not established the connection. Now, the UDP scan. In the UDP scan method, this method is display the UDP scan results. Many network services like DNS, DHCP, SNMP still works on the UDP protocol. Let me show you in my lab. But I think you will not get any result because I have not opened any UDP. But you can see the command which used nmap -s u and the target machine. Let me check if we get any result for UDP. Here you can see some UDP scan. Okay, a lot of results is there. UDP, ICMP. Okay, UDP 82 because it will scan the random ports. Let me check if we have any DNS scan method. UDP port 53. 53. No. Okay. But by the way, you can see the results is here. You can see some UDP scan and the ICMP scan is there. It is not showing any result because there is no port open for the UDP. Now in the TCP null scan, TCP null scan will send a TCP segment with no flag set in the packet header, like SYN, or push reset fin flag. It will not set. Let me show you. ah One more thing, this type of generated packets are illegal under RFC 793. You can read this RFC and you will get thorough information of this scan. Let me show you in my lab. Stop it. And map dash SN and the target IP. Okay, let me run. Here you will get the result for the SSH only. In the Wireshark, let me check what the result we will get. Here you can see the latest one, source destination, but there is no flag set. And in this case, it will reset the connection for the uh, in null scan. We will not get any response if ports are open. Okay, because 22 is open, but there is no result, and we will get the re reset packet in the response from the target machine for the closed ports. You can see, if I close it, you can see here the lot of reset packets in the here. You can see a lot of reset packets are there because the ports are closed. Now the next one is fin scan. In the fin scan, it will send the packet with the fin flag set. Let me show you in the live lecture. Nmap dash SF 192 168 1.15, and let me see what is the result in the packet capture. TCP 22. Yes, you can see here my source machine send the request with the flag set fin. Okay, but ideally, if we talk about the latest firewalls, next generation firewalls, they will drop this packet because they will only entertain the first packet with SYN. If other packets like ACK, first packet received by the ACK, reset or FIN, it will terminate the connection. Okay. Now the other one is custom TCP scan. By this method, you can scan the target machine uh, with the set the flag as per your requirement. You can set SYN, ACK, push. You can customize because in the default scan you will get, it will send the SYN, ACK. Okay, but here it will send. You can set any flag listed here. Let me show you. Nmap dash dash scan flags. I have set the fin. Let me show you first for the fin. And in the packet capture, you can see here there's 4 packets have been sent from my source to destination, and there is only the fin flag set. You can modify if you want to send the SYN first, SYN. Okay, and you can see here now the SYN egg reset because the term packet has been sent with SYN. It will get the SYN egg and it has reset the connection. Only it will get the information what the ports are open, and you can see the port is open. Okay, now in the next TCP ACK scan. In this scanning method, ACK is sent to the target machine to know the if port is filtered or unfiltered. If port filtered or destination is protected by this scan, then you will get the no response or ICMP unreachable. If port is unfiltered or unfiltered means it will protect by some firewall or the system firewall. If port is filtered or destination unprotected, you will get the reset response. Let me show you. in my scan lab, nmap dash s a and the target machine 192.168 1.15. Let's see what is the result. One I packets. Okay. If port unfiltered or destination unprotected, you will get the reset response, and you can see here will get the reset only. I have sent the packet with the egg and it has respond with the reset. Okay, hope you have understand. In the IP protocol scan, this scanning method is used to identify which type of protocol supported by the target machine. It can be TCP, it can be UDP or ICMP. Let me show you nmap SSO and the target IP. Here it is taking time. Let me see. Reset. It will get the reset. Okay. You can see ICMP. Okay. You can see the UDP scan, and somewhere you can see the TCP as well. IPv4, UDP, ICMP, and the TCP. TCP. Here, X. No, it was the last one. Let me run this command again. The scanning is still going on. That's why you are getting uh, DNS, ICMP. Okay, and somewhere you can see the TCP as well if you scroll up. But there is scan is going on. That's why the result is increasing. Okay. Okay. That's the that's it in the current today's lecture. And thank you so much. Take care. Bye.